Welcome guys, so today I'm with Audio-Technica earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off this device. So that's very simple. In this model you will find these two buttons for each earbud, and when you rotate like that, in this place you will find indicators. So to turn them on you have to click and hold this button for 2 seconds until this indicator right here turns to the white. So let's make it right now. Click and hold, take a look on the indicator, and as you can see right now we can release. Our earbuds are turned on, and to turn them off we have to do the same but hold it for 4 seconds. So let's start right now. Click and hold, keep holding. They will flash on the white at the same time and then it will disappear, so we can release the buttons, and that's how you can turn them on and turn them off by using this physical button on each earbud. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.